VW Sharan 2011. We're looking for the can gateway, right? The can gateway is behind glove box. Obviously you press this to see what I mean when you take it out, right? So I'll do it in reverse order so you can see what it looks like. Is basically you got screws around holding the glove box, and it's just behind the glove box there. And this is the right hand drive vehicle. You just remove the screws and that's where is your can gateway. I couldn't find a video for it, so it's not under the steering wheel, it's not hidden somewhere there like the Tourans. It's just behind there, behind the glove box. Right hand drive, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, all the screws on the bottom there. And that's it, and you get to it. Hope it helps, because in Edka was showing on a bracket, but it was showing on the other side.